What's up guys, it's Dave. I have Cindy with me, and today we are doing a product review for this AC Infinity Humidity Dome. And just like that, it's been assembled. It's time to fill up these seed trays. So far, the Humidity Dome, I've really enjoyed having these Samsung powered LED lights because even to the touch, you actually cannot get burned. They are a little bit on the warmer side. However, they seem to not have any issues if you have any pets or toddlers and they're curious to put their hand on top. The heat pad has been one of my favorite things so far, just because it allows me to put a variable heat. So for instance, right now that the seeds are still germinating, I actually have it set to the highest setting, but you need the heat in order to increase germination. Lastly, the dome. This dome has been freaking amazing. It actually has a few attachments that allow you to elevate the plant as it's growing. Because I'm starting seeds, my goal is just really to sprout the seeds and use it at this setting. However, I am going to be recording a follow-up video using some cuttings from trees where I will need to utilize that added height. These lights are not at the highest settings, but definitely they are very powerful. When it comes to the quality, that's hard plastic. It's definitely nothing flimsy compared to the ones I've purchased in the past from Home Depot and other small nurseries. So when it comes to construction, I'm actually, it surpassed my expectations. So now we have the timer here. As you can see, I manually turned it off. And the first thing you want to do is set your clock. Now, if you go to the next setting, when it turns on, I have mine set to setting 4. As you guys can see, yep, the light is on. The next setting would be, when would you like the timer to turn off? I went ahead and put it to 10 p.m. All right, guys, now we are a little bit closer. And back here, as you can see, these pumpkins, they are growing at different rates. As a matter of fact, I do see some roots that are starting to pop up. Now, I had mentioned that you have the ability to water them from the bottom. You'll notice that some of the seeds, they are growing at different rates. And back here in the center, we do have different types of seeds that will take a little bit longer. But because of the heat mat, I have noticed it's been speeding up the process. Now my cucumbers, these were some of the first plants to grow. And up here, you can go ahead and see how the seed has actually sprouted. And there you go, we have the true leaves. I think so far this product has been incredible. As I was sharing with you earlier, these are some very bright lights. So far, I am overly excited to share that this product has been amazing. AC Infinity, you guys are doing a great job. I can't wait to propagate some cuttings and let me know what everyone thinks. Have you used AC Infinity products before?